All right, seniors, this is the last bit of content that you will see this year, and I wish you the best of luck on it. So here's what we got. First, complete the May 27th due now assignment. That's due before 2 p.m. Second, all you've got is the final, the econ final. It's found in the assessments folder, and it's due on Friday. It's all multiple choice. It's from each of the econ units that we've done. It does include a couple questions about bonds from chapter 11, section 2. So if you want to wait for me to grade your assignment, you certainly can do that, but you can get started on it whenever you want. It's available now. And that's it for content. If you have things to make up, and most of you are doing very well, but if you have things to make up, you've got until Wednesday, June 3rd to do it. So I'm cheering for you guys. I'd love to see every single senior here earn an A in this class. That may not be realistic, but I definitely would love to see all of you pass and pass with a grade that you're comfortable with. So you've got some time to get things done, and the final shouldn't be terribly stressful. You have 2 attempts on it, and it's all multiple choice. So that is it. Best of luck to you, and if I can be of any assistance, please ask. I would love to help all of you. Thank you.